In Krishna's Vrindavan pastimes, she is an elderly Brahmani and Shiksha Guru for the Brijvasis. Under the instructions of Purnamasi, Lord Shiva bathed in Brahmakund. Some sampradayas say Mansarovara, and others say Yamuna. When he emerged from the sacred waters of Brahmakund, Lord Shiva had the beautiful form of a gopi. No one can enter the rasa dance with Krishna unless he is a gopi. Lord Shiva, in the form of a gopi, went to the area of the rasa dance near the Yamuna in Vrindavan. Other gopis noticed her. They approached her and asked, "What is your name? Who is your husband? What does he do? Where is your house?" They asked so many questions that he could not answer, because Purnamasi didn't tell him that. He said, "I want to be a gopi," so he got the form, but he didn't have any passport, no voter's ID, no ration card, no driver's license, no identification. He was anamika. So then the gopis, they ran into this new gopi. They approached her and said, "What is your name? Who is your husband?" But he couldn't answer these questions. So they thought this so-called new gopi was not actually one of them. They became angry at the impostor and they began to slap her cheeks. The other gopis. Who are you? You don't know who you are? You're some demon disguised. You came from Mathura disguised as a gopi. You're trying to harass our Krishna. What's going on? Who are you? So Shiva, in the form of that gopi, began to desperately call out the name of Purnamasi. "Purnamasi! Purnamasi!" Immediately Purnamasi appeared and stopped the gopis. "Don't beat her. She's actually Lord Shiva, a great devotee." Because of Purnamasi's position as their spiritual guide, the gopis listened to her. She told Shiva, Purnamasi, "Actually, you cannot participate directly in a rasa dance. The rasa dance with Krishna is only for gopis, but you can stay near the arena of the rasa dance and witness it and protect the area from others who are not qualified to enter."